everyone, good morning. Today I'm in Minyak. It's a very special place in Tibetan inhabited area, and the morning is a little cold. But behind me you can see a traditional festival is going on. So women are racing, milk churning to see who can do it fast. Let's see. Okay, because it's a little cold, so I'm going to a black tent and to see if they have a fire inside, and to warm myself up by the fire. So this is a traditional Tibetan yak hair black tent, and let's go to see what's inside and how nomads live. Wow, yak babies. So traditionally this is a nomadic home, so yak babies stay inside with people like this. Yeah, they're tied up in a line, and family sits on the floor. So this is like a dining room and the kitchen together, and that's the traditional stove. Wow, so I can warm myself up by the fire. And this is the milk tea pot, and these are the pots. And then this is for the food, bread, and this is the shrine of the family. The lama sit there, and this is like the horse saddles. When they travel by horse, they need to use them. And, let's see what's in the corner. Wow, that's I call it the food wall. So inside those bags there are grains, like barley and flour, and this is the butter bag. So this is the yak butter, and these two, I guess they are tea or something like that, and those are the pots. So this is a very simple way of living, right? She's the owner of the house. Oh, some cooking utensils over there.